Sometimes I find myself just walking through stores, like the hardware store, and just looking for items, things to use that I normally wouldn't use in a situation. That's what I like to do when I come to Melrose. Walk around our showroom, look through our catalog and see what you can come up with and use it in a very unusual manner. And this is one of the items that I found, and I think I've come up with some great ideas for you. This is our log holder. You put logs in it, set it by the fireplace, but today we're going to take these log holders and use them in a way that you're not accustomed to. Let's start with our larger log holder. We're going to decorate it, and we're going to keep the decoration so simple anyone can do it. We're going to start with a simple blossoms of a poinsettia. I've already trimmed the stem off. A couple stems of pine, or this beautiful looking cedar. And we're going to take the two pieces and cross them together. Notice I put one stem going across each other. We're going to take our lovely poinsettia blossom and just rest it on there. Our cable tie, we're going to bring it down through. Pull it nice and tight. And then use your wire cutters to cut off the excess. Now we've got our beautiful little cluster that we're going to add to the top of our log holder. We're going to start with our beautiful little cluster. Notice that it has a little bit of a crescent shape. We're going to take it, add it to the top of our log holder. One little cable tie. And that's all there is. We're going to also take one of our beautiful little wreaths that matches our stems. We're going to lay that down inside. And our nativity, we're going to place that inside. Building visual displays using our log holder. And you say you need more, I can give you more. The designing is up to you. You can extend this a 30-foot window if needed. Be creative. Use the log holders. Build some wonderful displays with Melrose products.